Hi, this is Jake with the team here at Projul. This video will give an overview of the 1build integration within Projul. Unlike the traditional process of constantly updating your cost books, 1build is a modern product that communicates with thousands of material suppliers across the country to provide localized and updated costs to every county in the United States. To start, I'll show an example of how simple it is to add updated costs to my estimate based on my location. First, I'll open an estimate I'd like to add a cost to. Next, I'll click on the 1build button. From here, I'll enter my location on the 1build sidebar, search for the item I would like to add, and quickly add that to my estimate. Once this item is added, all I need to do is adjust the quantity I'll be using in this project. To start adding 1build costs to your project, first navigate to an estimate that needs to be written. If you need a quick refresher on the basics of estimating within Projul, go ahead and check out our estimate overview video. You'll notice a 1build button anywhere you can normally add in a cost on an estimate. These 1build buttons will function the same as a traditional cost, meaning the large 1build button on the bottom will add a new section and create a 1build cost, while the smaller 1build button within a section will add a cost inside of that section. When any of the 1build icons are clicked, a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. This is the screen you'll use to search for localized items in your area. First, you'll set your company's location to get the most accurate pricing based on your county. Here at Projul, we're based in St. George, Utah. After a location has been entered, you can browse the catalog of different categories on the bottom, or you can utilize the search bar on the top to enter the specific cost you're looking for. In this example, I'll search for tile flooring. Now I can see a list of options to choose from. An important feature you'll see is if an item has the word allowance listed. If an item is tagged with allowance, this means this item is priced based on the average price in your area if you were to go to a supplier and order or buy this material. If an item does not have the allowance tag, this is an item that can be bought online at the price listed and shipped to you. Once an item has been selected, I can see the price of the item based on different measurement units this product is available in. By clicking on the Add to Project button, this item will be brought into my estimate. I also have the option to include a separate labor item for the average cost of labor in my area for this specialty of work. I can expand the labor section to view a breakdown of the labor costs. I have the option to include a burden cost to this labor item if I would like to include the cost of insurance, benefits, and any other overhead costs. If I open an item that is not tagged with allowance, I'll see a purchase button, which will send me to the website where I can buy this product online. Another helpful 1build feature you'll notice is items tagged with assembly. If an assembly is added to my estimate, it will add in all the necessary items to complete that project. For example, I can search for a drywall assembly, open that item, choose to include labor, and then add that to my estimate. As you can see, this has added in the line items and labor costs I would need to install drywall based on the average costs in my area. In this example, 1build has added drywall, joint tape, my joint compound, and the labor to install the drywall. These items have been added in an assembly per linear foot, which can be adjusted by changing the value in this box. If you need a refresher on how the assembly feature functions within Projul, go ahead and check out our assemblies video. As we know, material and labor prices are always changing in the construction industry. If I have used 1build cost lines in an estimate template, let's say a year and a half ago, obviously those prices will not be the same anymore. Instead of searching for all these items again and completely rebuilding my estimate, I can simply press the Update 1build Prices button on the top of my estimate page, which will update all the 1build prices in my estimate to the current prices for all those items. If I have saved any of my 1build costs as cost templates to be used in the future by expanding the 1build cost line and pressing Save Labor Template, at any time I can navigate to my cost templates page by pressing my initials on the bottom left, selecting templates, and then pressing to manage my cost templates. From here, I'll also have that Update 1build Prices button. This allows my cost book to be updated with the push of a button instead of hours of updating individual prices. If you have any questions about using the 1build integration within Projul, please reach out to our success team at 844-394-8541, or you can email us at support@projul.com. Thank you.